Hi guys! Today we are going to learn to exchange some basic facts of information about one another, okay? So the first one is going to be greetings. How do you say hello? In English, you can say hello, you can say hi, you can say what's up, okay? So you have hello,
Hello.
Hi, hello.
What's up?
Hello.
okay? So you can say these things. So after you say hello, you say what's your name? Okay, so my name is Marta, okay? So I want you to repeat this question. What's your name?
What's your name?
Okay, say it.
What's your name?
You can say it.
What's your name?
How do you
What's
say
your name?
it? Okay,
What's your name?
good. And the answer is, my name is, so my name is Marta, okay? So, what's your name?
My name is Urko.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Unai.
What's your name?
My name is Asir.
What's your name?
My name is Asier.
Okay, so Urko, Asier, and Unai, right? Good. So, this is the world, okay? So, I come from here. Yes? So, the question is, where are you from? Okay? Where are you from? So, where are you from? I am from Spain. Okay? I am from Spain. Yes? Where are you from?
I am from France.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Where are you from?
I am from South Africa.
Where are you from?
I am from
From?
Italy.
Good. Okay. So, from France. Who is from France? Unai.
Urko is from France.
Okay. And who is from Germany? Asier.
Asir is from Germany.
Who is from South Africa, Urko?
Asir is from South Africa.
And who is from where?
No, I'm from South Africa.
Okay, so where is he from?
He is from Germany.
Okay. Okay, so after that, we ask, how old are you? Okay? How old are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have, how old are you? Can you repeat?
How old
How
are you?
old are you?
How old are you?
Good. And the answer is, I am. No, I have. Okay? I am. Yes? So, I am. How old I am? 15, 16, 17. How old are you?
I'm 15.
How old are you?
I am 16.
How old are
I'm
you?
16.
How old are you?
I am 12.
Okay. Good. So after that, what else can we talk about? We can talk about the things that we like. Okay, so what do you like? Okay, can you repeat?
What do you like?
Good. So, what do you like? Can you repeat?
I like. What do
Repeat.
you like?
Okay.
What do you like? What do you like?
What do you like?
Good. Very good. I like. Can you tell me anything you like?
I like basketball.
What do you like?
I like also basketball.
Good.
I like rowing.
You like rowing?
Yeah.
Good. What do you like?
I like football.
Football. What team?
Portugal.
Portugalete team. Okay, so what do you like? I like. So you like rowing, right? You like basketball. You like football. You like sports.
Yes.
Yes? Good. Do you like music?
Yeah, too.
You like music? What music do you like?
Rap or hip hop.
Yes? What music do you
Heavy
like?
metal.
What music do you
Pop.
like? Pop. And what music
Rap.
do you like?
Rap.
Yes? Good. Okay. So now we are going to play a little game. Okay? We are going to go through all these questions one more time. Okay, you are going to repeat them, and after that we are going to play a game. Okay? So, what's your name? Can you repeat?
What's your name?
Good. So, my name is.
My name is
My name is.
Asier.
My name is Unai.
Asier.
My name is Urko.
Good. Okay? So, after that, where are you from? Can you repeat?
Where
are you from?
Good. So, I am from Spain. Where are you from?
I am from France.
I'm from Germany.
Where are you from?
I am from South Africa.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Good. Okay, after that, how old are you, Urko?
I am 16.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
I am 15.
And
Yeah,
how old
sure.
are you? Good. What do you like, Asiel?
I like rowing.
What do you like, Asiel?
I like football.
What do you like?
I like basketball.
What do you
I
like?
also like basketball.
Good. Okay, so now we are going to play a game, yes? So I will ask you a question and you can answer. Then you throw the ball and you ask a question, okay? How old are you?
I'm 15. What do you like?
I like basketball. What's your name?
My name is Asiel. How old are you?
I'm 16. Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. What's your name?
And my name is Urko. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Okay.
What do you like?
What do I like?
What do you like?
I like music. Okay, good. Now I am going to throw the ball to one of you and I will ask a question about somebody. Yes? Okay. So I will ask you, what does he like?
He likes basketball.
Okay, now you do the same.
How old is he?
12.
Okay, good.
What do he like?
He
What
likes.
does?
That he like?
He likes basketball. What's his name?
His name is Asiel.
Good.
Where are you? Where are you, Urko?
How old
How old
is Urko?
Urko?
Very good.
He is 16. Where's Urko from?
He's from France.
Very good.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. Okay, good. And now that we have finished, okay, do you remember? We will go through it again. But now I will leave you the answers out. And you have to tell me what goes with what. Let me forget. So, okay, is that correct?
No.
Okay, so what is your name? Goes with?
My
My
name
name
is.
Okay, good. So what is your name? My name is. Where are you from?
No.
Goes? I am from, right? Good. Okay. Excellent. How old are you?
Goes with. I am.
Ah, well done, right?
Thank you.
And the last one, what do you like?
I like.
Excellent. Alright, good. So, we learn how to say hello.
Yeah.
We learn how to say,
What's your name?
what else?
Where are you from?
What else?
What do I like?
What else?
How old are you?
Good. And now we learn to say,
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
okay,